Hey everybody, Coach Andrew here on a special day with Mr. Charles here. It's maintenance day.
Yeah.
It's guitar signing day. We got the platinum guitar. Charles right over here. Signed, it's official. He is in maintenance phase. Now he still says he's got some goals that he wants to accomplish, and we're going to help him do that. But it's a big day for him, so we just wanted to give him a moment to celebrate. It's been hard work, but somewhat enjoyable, it seems. Tell us what you've been doing just since January that's been helping with your program.
Well, part of it, a lot of it is just eating a lot less and that sort of thing. But I think what you're talking about is I'm doing a dance competition later this month. And I've been doing a lot of practice, a lot of private lessons. And when you do it right, it's a real workout. And so anyway, I think that's helped a lot. Yeah.
And more so than that, it's a distraction in that you don't feel like you're exercising.
Oh,
you notice it. You're getting tired.
Yeah.
But you're choosing to do that for another reason. And I think that when you approach your exercise from that standpoint of saying this isn't punishment, this isn't penance, this is something that I enjoy, whether that is swimming in the pool, whether that's biking, whether that's jogging, whatever it is, if you approach it with the right attitude, I think you're more likely to stick to it, and you'll just find yourself at the end of your time going, oh my goodness, I'm done already.
Well, not only that, but also, when I'm in the competition on the dance floor, I don't want to look like a slob.
A little vanity doesn't hurt.
Absolutely.
It doesn't hurt. We're okay with that.
Yeah.
Well, we just wanted to give you an opportunity to crow a little bit about it. We're proud of you, and there you go. And it's just the beginning. Like I said, maintenance doesn't mean things hold still. There's still some transformation that can happen, and we look forward to helping you on it. Okay?
Absolutely.
All righty.
All right.
And we want to help you to reach your goals as well, whether that's maintenance, whether that's dance competition, whatever it is. We are here to meet you where you are. We can do that if you come in and see us. Come to one of our free health and wellness seminars. Check us out online at lt360.com, and we'll see you out there on the dance floor.
Yes, sir.